For more than 30 years, electricians and electrical contractors have asked for Polaris connectors by name. Why? Because Polaris delivers highly innovative products to help them get the job done faster, with fewer steps, fewer tools, and fewer headaches. One of those innovations is the Polaris Edge connector, specifically designed for direct burial applications. Let's take a look at how to install the Edge. Begin by stripping the wire insulation using a bevel cut. Next, remove the conductor sleeve from the port and cut it at the appropriate mark for the wire being used. The cut should be straight to ensure a watertight seal. Next, insert the port sleeve back into the connector and remove the access plug. Then, using a hex wrench, loosen the set screw. Then lubricate the wire insulation with the dielectric silicone grease. Next, insert the conductor and align it with a reference mark on the sleeve. Tighten the pressure screw using a hex wrench. You will then need to use a torque wrench to tighten the screws to a specific value. By scanning this QR code, you will be able to download a PDF that shows the proper torque values for any situation. Once this step is complete, simply replace the screw access plug. With the wire properly connected and tightened, the Polaris Edge is ready to be buried, and your job is done. We offer a wide assortment of configurations, including mountable and stacked ports, as well as heavy-duty UL-listed connectors, all proudly made in the USA. For every application, for every job, count on Polaris to deliver. Visit our website to learn more.